Snip, snip. Teachers and parents, before tackling this little word book, a child will need to be able to do the following. Say the sounds made by the letters shown below. Read blend regular words containing these letter sounds. Let's go through each letter and its sound together. This is letter S, and the sound is
S.
Its sound is
S.
like a snake hisses. This is letter A, and the sound is
A.
Its sound is
A.
like in the word apple. This is the letter T, and the sound is
T.
Its sound is
T.
like in the word tap. This is the letter I, and the sound is E. Its sound is E, like in the word insect. This is the letter P, and the sound is
P.
Its sound is
P.
like in the word pen. This is the letter N, and the sound is
N.
Its sound is
N.
like in the word net. Say the sounds and blend them together to read the words. Where is the pin in the picture? Pin. In. Spin. Tips. Sips. Say the word ants and listen out for the sounds. Ants. There is one sound dot underneath the ants for each sound in the word. Tap. Snip. Who is having a nap? Nap. Snap. Sit. Pat. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning with us from this little word book by Jolly Phonics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arcel Academy for more engaging educational content.